In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a text file in a folder on the Mac. This is the closest thing you'll get to Windows right-click and create new text file. To do this on the Mac, you first want to head to the dock and click the Launchpad. And from the Launchpad, you want to click Other and then come over to Automator. If you don't see Automator, you can use the search box on the main app page and search out Automator. You want to bring the Automator up, and when this box comes up, you want to select Quick Action and then come down and select Choose. Now you want to search out Run AppleScript. You can use the scroll, or the easiest way is to start to type it into this box here. Once you find the Run AppleScript, you want to click it once and drag it into this box here. You want to highlight this text and then paste over this line of code. I'll leave this code in the description below. Once you've done that, you want to come up to File and then click Save. Then you want to save the AppleScript something obvious, like in my case, Create New Text File. Then you want to simply click Save. Now when you bring up a Finder window, you want to come up to Finder and then come down to Services and select Create New Text File. And this will automatically create a new text file in the Finder window, as you can see. You can make as many new text files as you wish. If you no longer want to use this application, you first want to head up to the little Apple logo and come down to System Preferences and over to Keyboard. Then you want to click on the tab here and click Shortcut, and on the left you want to click Services. Then you want to scroll right down to the bottom where there will be General, where you will find the AppleScript that you just created. You can untick it, and then when you click Finder and you come to Services, it'll no longer be there. You can retick it to reactivate it, but if you want to permanently delete it, you want to go to Go and then come down to Go to Folder. Then you want to search out this line of text. Again, I'll add this to the description below, or you can just type out Services and it should auto-populate. Then you want to click into the Library and Services folder, and inside this folder will be the application that you have made. You simply want to click it once and drag it into the bin. This will permanently delete the AppleScript. Now if you go over to the keyboard again, as you can see, it's no longer there. It's permanently deleted. So that is how you get the closest thing to Windows right-clicking and create new text file on the Mac. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below and check out this next quick Mac tip, and thank you for watching.